As for Chrysostomo's pending murder case, as of today, all of the defense attorneys on the court's list have recused themselves, more than 20 in all. This means counsel from outside the CNMI may have to be appointed to represent Chrysostomo. However, Judge Camacho says he'll first reach out to attorneys employed at independent agencies such as CUC or the Retirement Fund. Chrysostomo's preliminary hearing is now scheduled for next week, Thursday. Governor Inos signs a warrant for the extradition of the CNMI's former Attorney General, now a fugitive. In a letter addressed to Iowa Governor Terry Branstad, Inos says, "I am writing to request your assistance in the apprehension and return of a fugitive from justice who has been charged with commission of multiple crimes in the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands and who, I have reason to believe, has taken refuge in the state of Iowa in Johnson County." The fugitive named is former AG Edward Taylor Buckingham, who's been charged in Superior Court with multiple misdemeanor and felony charges. Buckingham departed the CNMI in August 2012, hours after the charges were filed. Inos asked Branstad to apprehend and detain Buckingham until the CNMI is able to make arrangements for his extradition. The letter has not been delivered to the Iowa governor yet and was transmitted to the Office of the Public Auditor this morning. OPA attorney George Hasselback is prosecuting this case and submitted the extradition request in early January to then Governor Fithiel. After Fithiel resigned from office on February 20th, Governor Inos took over review of the warrant papers and signed them about a week later. Hasselback.
Very clear by the wording of the letter that he supports extradition if it is necessary and prudent. He is trusting our judgment here as to whether or not it's necessary and prudent.
Hasselback says the governor recognizes that extradition is a complex matter, and he's asked OPA to try to return Buckingham to the CNMI in the most legally appropriate and financially sound way possible. OPA has not made any determinations on just how to do that yet, but Hasselback says the signing of the warrant now makes available certain options that weren't there before.
Well, I can begin to actually find out how much it's going to cost to bring Mr. Buckingham back. There are various methods by which that can be accomplished. Now that I know that there is a potential at the end, if extradition does become necessary, I know there's a potential at the end for that extradition to happen.
If OPA opts to pursue extradition, Hasselback says he may seek the assistance of other CNMI law enforcement or the U.S. Marshal Service in bringing Buckingham back.